Good day everyone. So in this video, I will teach you how to get the domain, vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, slant asymptote, whole, x-intercept, and y-intercept in the graph of rational function. So they are atong given or atong problem. F of x is equals to x squared minus 1 over x minus 2. So, ang atong numerator is x squared man, pero kay dili naman nato siya mo factor. So, let's proceed to the domain. So, in getting the domain, atong i-get si denominator and then we equate it to 0. So, x minus 2 is equals to 0, and then x is equals to positive 2. Kaya, negative 2, it transfers sa precast na yung positive. So, ang atong domain is x such that x is an element of R and x is not equals to 2. Next, atong solve or atong palitawan ang atong vertical asymptote. So, ang atong vertical asymptote is ang value sa x. So, ang value sa atong x is carry is 2 man. So, mara ito ang value sa or mara ito ang vertical asymptote. So, ang sort nila x is equals to 2. And then, sunod is ang horizontal asymptote or HA. So, sa horizontal asymptote, nasa siya itaan. If ang denominator is dako sa numerator, 1/2. And then, if ang denominator is equals or same sila sa numerator, so is 0. And then, if ang numerator is dako sa denominator, kana is no horizontal asymptote. So, if kakuha nga to ang numerator sa denominator, wala siya horizontal asymptote. So, as you can see, sa ito ang problem, kahit dako man ang ito ang numerator, so it means wala siya horizontal asymptote. So ang atong ibutan diri is none. Next is ang slant. So sa pagkuha sa atong slant is if pwede so next is slant asymptote. So sa pagkuha sa atong slant asymptote, pwede if kung ato ang numerator is ma-factor and then na ay ma-cancel. And then, if wala, mag-long division ta. So, sa kanya ito ang problem is wala man tayo na-cancel Kaya dili manufacturer ang atong numerator. So, mag-long division ka. So, sa pag-long division, ganyan siya. X squared plus 0x minus 1. Kung makatanong mo ano may 0x, ang 0x siya. Okay. Sunod sa x squared is x and then dili man sa full pala yun. So, x minus 2. And then first natin po na is ang x or ang x squared. So, x squared divided by x is equals to x. So, ako ang butang nila ang x guys, saliwan sila. And then, x times x is equals to x squared. And then, x times negative 2 is equals to negative 2x. So, can ma-change na siya o positive. So, sunod, ito ang umanin. So, 0x minus 2x is equals to 2x. So, bring down negative 1. And then, kaya na po ito divide ang 2x sa x. 2x divided by x is equals to 2. So, plus 2. And then, 2 times x is equals to 2x. And then, 2 times negative 2 is equals to negative 4. So, ang negative na sign na yung positive. So, ano siya 0. And then, negative 1 minus 4 is equals to 3. So, kami mo nagawa So, ato ang slant is x plus 2. So, y is equals to x plus 2. Next is maghibot ta og table of values. So x and 1. So kani ang bottom 1 0 pwede ra o kamay mo sa and then ang kami atong i-substitute dito sa atong x. So y equals negative 1 plus 2. So y is equals to 1. So 1. So ito ang is 1, 2, 3, 4 kahit pasaka. So next is ito ang pair. First pair is negative 1 and 1. Second is 0 and 2. Third is 1 and 3 and 4 is 2 and 4. So next is whole. So same sa slant. If sa whole is kung walay makancel Pero wala man, dili man natin na-factor na itong numerator. So, ang ato ang whole is wala or none. So, next is ito ang isolve ang x-intercept. So, in getting x-intercept, let y is equals to 0. So, ito ang munang y na 0. So, 1. So, zero is equals to x squared minus 1 over x minus 2. So, now na-check na there no 1. So, kanina times of kanina times. So, like mo na siyang i-cross multiply. So, kanina naman siyang 0. So, ang mabiling is kanina lang. So, x squared minus 1 is equals to 0. And then, ako siyang i-factor. X, and then x is equals to 0. So, x times x is x squared 9. And then, negative 9. So, positive ang isa, and negative ang isa. So, ang number na times na ito, and then may cos of 1 is 1 rapod. So, positive 1 ang isa, and then negative 1 ang isa. And then, para makuha na ito, itong x-intercept is, ato silang i-equate into 0 silang duha. So, x plus 1 is equals to 0, and then x is equals to negative 1, and then x minus 1 is equals to 0, and then x is equals to positive 1. So, mawala nga ito ang x-intercept. So, x and negative 1 and 0 and 1 and 0. So, next is ang y-intercept. So, sa y-intercept na po is baliktad sila sa x-intercept. Kung ang x-intercept, ang y na itong himong 0 sa y-intercept is ang x na po ato ang himong 0. So, y is equals to 0 squared minus 1 over 0 minus 2 equals 0 squared is equals to 0. So 0 minus 1 is equals to 1. And 0 minus 2 is negative 2 equals negative 1 half. So, ang ato ang y-intercept is negative 1 half. 0 and negative 1 half. So, if nakatingnan mo, manong nadali ang 1, yan, nadali ang 0, kahit yan na siya. X and y. So, ang atong x, which is the negative 1 of 1, and then, wala na tayo value, so, y maong 0 o 0. Same na po din. Ang x naman tayo wala, so, y 0, and then ang y is negative 1. So karon ato anang i-graph. First is to ang vertical asymptote, which is positive 2. 1 and 2. By the way, this is quadrant 1. This is positive and positive. Quadrant 2, negative mu of positive. Quadrant 3, negative of negative. Quadrant 4, positive and negative. So, ito na so, positive 2 man. So, ari ko na ito ang vertical asymptote. Next is ang ato ang slant. So ang ibalik ko sa 1 ang atong table of values ay na-erase. X negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So, pwede lang kamo magbuod. So, negative 1, ato ang substitute dito sa atong x. X sa atong slant. So, 1 is equals to negative 1 plus 2. So, 1 is equals to 1. And then, so, there is 1 is equals to 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, muna ito ang mga pair. Negative 1 and 1. So, that pair is 0 and 2. Next is 1 and 3. And the last one is 2 and 4. So, maanihan po ang mga pair. So, 1. Ano po reason niya ito ang plot. So, ito ang slant is negative 1 and 1. So, negative 1, this is x and this is y. So, x na negative is ari. So, negative 1 and 1. Okay. So, negative 1 and 1. Negative 1, negative 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5. So, negative 1 and 1. Negative 1 and 1. Next is 0 and 2. So, ang atong x is 0. And then, ang atong y is 2. So, positive y is backward. So, 0 and 2. Next, 1 and 3. So, positive 1 and 3. Next, last is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. dapat tuhod yun sila. So next is ato ang next is atong x-intercept, which is negative 1 and 0 and 1 and 0. Negative 1 and 0. So, ayun. So, next is 1 and 0. So, 0. So, next is ang atong i-plot is ang y-intercept, which is 0 and negative 1/2. So, ato ang hinuong decimal. So, if equivalent din yung decimal is 0.5. So, positive 0.5. So, y man then kanyang x. So, atong x is 0 and then ang atong y is 0.5. So, dara man ang 1. So, dito na sa and then ato ang i-connect. And that's all.